And tonight, an Orlando City Commissioner is under investigation accused of financially exploiting an elderly woman. Good evening, I'm Greg Wormuth. Court documents state that Commissioner Regina Hill spent close to $100,000 of a constituent's money on things like a personal facelift, hotel stays, and clothing. Our Rafael Pierce has been digging through these documents tonight, and he joins me now with the latest from downtown. Rafael.
There are a lot of serious accusations made in the Florida Department of Law Enforcement affidavit. We now know that FDLE has been investigating Commissioner Hill for more than a year for the alleged misconduct.
But by the participation.
Orlando City Commissioner Regina Hill now the focus of an FDLE investigation, claiming the elected official exploited a 96-year-old woman. According to documents obtained by Eyewitness News, the elderly woman, who we'll refer to as M, had more than $164,000 in the bank, but Hill allegedly spent more than $100,000 of it and charged nearly $10,000 more on M's credit card. The list of purchases include a facelift, perfume, a hotel stay in Miami, car insurance, and dental surgery. M told investigators that she did not give Hill permission to use the money. On top of that, the documents allege Hill of fraudulently obtaining power of attorney and then using that to purchase this home on 170 Domino Drive in Orange County, with the elderly woman as a co-purchaser. Again, M says she never gave Hill permission to do that. When our crew stopped by that address, no one seemed to live there, though this is the address Commissioner Hill currently has registered as her voting address. We also went to 3408 Lewis Court, another home owned by M. Neighbors say Hill lived in this house from August until last week, when authorities showed up at the door to tell her to leave. The neighbors told us they thought it was because this house wasn't in Hill's district, but it happened a few days after a judge granted an injunction against Hill. We also went to a previous address listed for Hill Monday evening. A man opened the door and said Hill no longer lived there, but says a few months ago she stopped by and asked him if she could continue to pick up her mail from his address. The man says he refused. When we called Hill about the accusations made against her, she told us they were false and she retained an attorney to fight them. She refused to comment any further or tell us who that attorney was.
So we reached out to all of the other Orlando City Commissioners as well as the mayor for comment. So far, we have not heard back. It is important to note that Commissioner Hill, she has not been charged with a crime. If she is charged, she could possibly be removed from office. For now, reporting live in downtown Orlando, I'm Rafael Pierce, WFTV Tonight.